Mass protests continue in Lebanon despite reform plan. Hariri's reform won't stem Lebanon protest experts. US defense chief in Saudi Arabia for an unannounced visit. Saudi king meets US defense secretary. Turkey says YPG PKK has no role in future of Syria. Safe zone in North Syria to allow 2 million Syrians return home. Trump, Israel and Jordan sought for some US troops in Syria. Over 300,000 Somalis flee conflict and drought this year. Islam answer to problem of Arabs, Tunisian politician. Malaysia dismiss Indian threat to limit oil exports. 14 Afghan policemen killed in Kunduz attack. India and Pakistan set to sign Sikh Pilgrim Corridor Pact.